Today is our 649th video, Sanskriti Kolkata's handwork collection. So we have, last moment, we have managed to do a video on all the beautiful handwork saris. Shipping is still on for the next few days. And if you are still not ready to take the shipment before the pujas, you can always opt for after the pujas. So I'll start with the silk saris in pure Katha, Jolchuri Katha. We are shipping worldwide. Shipping charges depends on the weight and destination, cash on delivery in Kolkata only, outside Kolkata via courier. Courier charges you need to pay, and the shipping charge internationally depends on the weight and destination. Very unusual pieces today, hand curated, handcrafted saris, handwork, totally handwork, hand woven fabric, beautiful pieces. The blouse piece is with all over thread work in stripe, and this is the sari. See, it has a very pretty deer concept handwork katha in a maroonish shade, rustish maroon, with Jolchuri pallu. Our handwork kathas are very exclusive in different styles and patterns depending on the fabric. So we do traditional katha like this one, but in fusion modern fabrics, very pretty Jolchuri katha, all over the sari in white, milk white, with thread work in red, and the pallu is also fully embroidered in between the stripe. Guri Ran katha means tiny fine run stitch katha. Guri Ran means tiny. Price 11,900 in pure handloom silk with this Jolchuri silk katha, and this is the blouse piece. If you want your blouses to be stitched, we will take order, but shipping will be done after the Durga Puja. Means we are closed from 10th of October, which is Shaptami. Shaptami we will be opening only for 2 hours in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning to 12 o'clock in the noon. Just for the last moment blouse deliveries and all other, if anything is pending. So we'll complete our work on the 10th of October, which is Shaptami, and reopen on Monday. So Shaptami, from the second half we are closing after continuous 3 months of non-stop hard work, and then we will reopen on Monday, which is 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th of October, which is a Monday. We will be reopening. This Sunday it will be open. From the next Sunday we will be closed. This is another lovely Jolchuri katha in pure silk. So these Jolchuri kathas we've done, I'm showing you quite a 3-4 options today. The embroidery again throughout, very artistic work in brick red and charcoal color. And look at the blouse piece. This comes the blouse piece, very smart and pretty work all over. For booking, no phone call, just take the screenshot where the product number is mentioned and WhatsApp only. 76030 42696 is the booking number. After you make the payment, we will confirm your booking and courier it to you. Very, very gorgeous of Ketia Tussar with pure silk. It's an excellent borderless sari in a stunning combination of black and cement grey. This is the blouse piece. Now, few things I announce in all the Katha videos. Since I usually display Kathas which is with a lot of embroidery, not only border pallu, our Katha stitches mostly all over work. So there may be a less width than the standard ones. If you're very tall, like I don't need any, I'm 5'4" and I wear a 3-inch heel till 5'7", you don't need any attachment of fabric. But if you're above 5'7" height, you may need to attach a fabric on the waist if there is lot of all over thread work in the Katha sari. And measure 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse border. Sometimes there may be only border embroidery and sometimes there may be a full 80, 70, 90, 1 meter blouse piece. So just measure and then cut the blouse piece. Exclusive Katha. This is a very, very unusual piece in Katha in pure Ketia Tussar and silk weaving sari. The similar concept, borderless. This is the maroon shade in that. I clearly display the prices so that you have no confusion in selection and you don't have to continuously ask PP. So the prices are mentioned. In between, if you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. We have the Instagram page and the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page from where we do the live videos. Reels and other products are also displayed in the Instagram page, Sanskriti Kolkata. This year, before the puja, we've been blessed to be covered by most of the media houses like The Telegraph, Anandolok magazine, Shanonda magazine, Femina, National, and Anandolok, the Pujo Shankha, the Pujo edition, which is the thick book, comes only once a year before the pujas. So all these they've covered us, Sanskriti Kolkata. So I'm very happy this time. And also there have been a lot of hoardings in Kolkata. So I'm glad for your support. This is the achol, maroon color. Very, very pretty sari. Now this is with both the shades. That was black and cement, then there was maroon and cement, and now we have the black, maroon and cement. So it's all these borderless concept sarees, very fashionable, very smart. Let me know how you're liking the products. So these are all hand embroidered. And just to show you the reverse side, this is the finishing of the saris. The reverse side, all threads are well cut, well finished, and very good finishing of the work. See how the paisley has been covered with thread work. Very beautiful piece. Now I'll show a full all over Bangalore silk, heavy quality, dyed border and rust color body. This is a traditional Katha stitch sari. From Bengal, number 7 comes with this black color blouse piece. So those who love Katha stitch work, I'm sure you'll be having multiple Kathas, but still you will, if you see the video, you will definitely feel tempted to buy more. And for your support, supporting small scale business, homegrown brands is always a pleasure. Bangalore silk in bottle green, single color thread used for the whole work. Usually with bottle green, beige and off-whites go very well. The work comes out very prominently, and this dark bottle green dual tone color is a very, very pretty color, comes with the same blouse piece. It's a very elegant, uncommon piece sari. Even the color, the work, the combination. All starched, polished and ready to ship. 3D Katha. Woven in 3 shades, not joint, fully woven. Dual tone, shades of green. And then we have the temple and a geometric pattern, border and multicolored pallu. And matching with the pallu, we have this magenta blouse piece. This is the sari. Next, tussar. Tussar with Worli embroidery throughout. This is kind of, usually we have the figures. This is also figure, but this is with run stitch. So it's giving a very elegant look, and it has a coral dyed border pallu. Dudhe alta color that we say when you mix a little bit of red color in the white shade. So that color, it's a very pretty shade of reddish pink color. Border pallu dyed, and the work is also very neat, and it's in tussar. So in case if you are confused about what the fabric is, and if I miss out the fabric, because we are usually doing in pure silk and pure tussar, so it's mentioned, see the product code is written TSR, means tussar. So we try to be as transparent as possible and giving you as much details as possible. I don't want any confusion after you receive the product. So we are very, very announce every pros and cons related to the products, because if you're happy, we are happy. Very, very pretty shade of a wine and mehendi green. Wine and mehendi green, a stunning color combination. Very unique shade with the blouse piece. We are shipping worldwide. Shipping charges depends on the weight and destination. Internationally, we ship regularly. And the more you buy, the less you pay for shipping. Blouse orders, tailoring orders accepted. Additional services take more time, so you have to give us that time. These are basically polished, but if you want the bandhages and all, they need polishing, so you have to give us that extra time. Now look at this, desi tussar with सोबर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. नीचे से ये फ्लावर कितना सुंदर ये झाड़ उठा है ऊपर में, और ऊपर में उठा इसलिए ऊपर में बस सिंपल बॉर्डर दिया हुआ है with this blouse piece. You can wear a teal color blouse, will look very neat, nice with this, and just use the border. जितना आपका काम है उतना ब्लाउज का स्लीव्स बनाइए, और सामने में सिर्फ ये टील कलर का एक फैब्रिक लेकर, सिल्क टील will look very nice. Of course, the same color blouse is also nice, but teal will look very rich. Actually, the teal color itself is so rich color. So with this, the natural virgin color desi tussar, the teal will stand out more, I personally feel. In tussar, we have this nice combination of yellow. And since the fabric is desi tussar, so the yellow is really standing out very well. Prominent work, yet very sober. बहुत बड़ा पल्लू है. एक्चुअली ये आपका साड़ी ये यहाँ से आएगा, पूरा योक से काम आएगा. We show a lot of variety of katha, kutch work, fusion katha, traditional katha, modern design katha, mixed match katha, rangoli katha, tie and dye katha, fusion kathas तो है ही, folk katha, वर्ली katha, मधुबनी आर्ट वर्क, टाई एंड डाई, शिबोरी काथा, काथा कलमकारी, और क्या चाहिए आपको। हर वैरायटी जब जब हाथ का काम होता है एक साथ दिखा नहीं पाते हैं, लेकिन जब भी रेडी होते हैं आपके बारे में पहले सोचते हैं। Again another desi tussar with milk white and orange color thread work, very pretty neat pattern जिसमें ये flower और ये hibiscus, the flowers, the sunflowers have been really prominently standing out, and here is the blouse piece with this. Sleeves में आएगा, इसका बूटा है throughout the साड़ी, बहुत सुंदर different combination है इसका। देसी टसर, देसी टसर का मजा ही अलग है। सी कितना सुंदर इसका काम है। हैंडक्राफ्टेड प्योर फैब्रिक एंड ऑल हैंडवर्क। नेक्स्ट वी हैव दिस टसर, प्योर टसर साड़ी विथ वेरी प्रिटी कॉफी कलर थ्रेड वर्क यूज थ्रू आउट, एंड ये साड़ी में कोई गैप नहीं है, कितना काम है इसमें देखिए। पूरा ये फुल पौधों का था, लोटस का था, एंड हियर कम्स द बहुत सारा स्टिचेस देकर ये बॉर्डर, ये हेरिंगबोन, ये चेली स्टिच सब मिलाकर ये एक्सक्लूसिव एक साड़ी हुआ है। एंड हियर इज द बॉर्डर इन द ब्लाउज। अगेन आई वुड सजेस्ट बाय अ वेरी रिच रॉ सिल्क कॉफी कलर और एन अजरक प्रिंटेड कॉफी जो शेड आता है ना, वो ऑर्गेनिक कलर का जो अजरक होता है उसके साथ उसका कलर बहुत सुंदर आता है, उसके साथ ये बॉर्डर आएगा। ये वाला साड़ी है एंड इसका प्राइस है 8,900। रेंज वाइज वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी, 8,900, ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी। एंड हियर गोज द टाई एंड डाई देसी टसर in a shade of fudge and coffee. इसका प्राइस है 13,500. This is the blouse piece border. Okay, two tussar but price different. This is desi tussar. This is desi tussar or border shaded, dyed with very gorgeous work. This is also a very gorgeous work and all over work, more work, but this is Korean tussar. Korean tussar is also pure tussar, but it is lighter weight and it's more like silk than tussar. So silk by tussar type feel आता है इसका. It's pure, but इसका रेंज देसी टसर से थोड़ा सा कम में मिलता है, इसलिए ये वाला रेंज कम है, लेकिन ये बहुत ज्यादा ही कम है हिसाब के, मतलब काम के हिसाब से ये कुछ ज्यादा ही कम है. यूजुअली इट शुड बी अराउंड 11,000, but since the price is 8,900, we'll definitely charge that. Brushing, multicolored kutch work in desi tussar. Lovely earthy tones, and these tones are very rich tones. Usually you see these kind of mehendi, coffee, burgundy, teal, turquoise, slate. ये सब ना आपको सिल्क का कलर एकदम रिच लगता है, बहुत सुंदर ये सिल्क का कलर्स होता है. दिस कोबाल्ट, सो बहुत रिच कलर्स है इसमें इन हैंडवर्क कच वर्क साड़ीज. पसंद आए तो जरूर कमेंट कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. छुट्टी के टाइम थोड़ा वीडियोस वॉच कीजिए. पसंद आए तो बुकिंग के लिए व्हाट्सएप कीजिए 7603042696. ये रेड बॉर्डर के साथ है, वो वाला रॉयल ब्लू के साथ था, ये रेड के साथ है. और रेड मतलब ब्रिक रेड कलर, नॉट द लाउड रेड, ब्रिक रेड कलर, क्योंकि टसन में डाई के बाद रेड थोड़ा सा मैट रेड होता है, बहुत सुंदर एक रेड आता है, लाउड रेड नहीं। So these are the shaded ones, tie and dye with Kutch work. Now I'll show you a zari border, woven zari border, very pretty tussar sari. Desi tussar, woven border is just like the Mangalgiri borders, and here we have the Kutch work embroidery, and the body has self on self print. Zari palla, zari border, फुल बॉर्डर के साथ आपका हैंड वर्क जाएगा, बॉर्डर पूरा लेकर, वेरी स्मार्ट साड़ी। मिडनाइट ब्लू विद ब्लाउज पीस। वीडियोस देखते जाइएगा, रेगुलरली वी आर अपलोडिंग वीडियोस, रील्स, इंस्टा पोस्ट, स्टिल पिक्चर्स, फेसबुक लाइव, स्टोरीज, व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस, बहुत सारा हमारा कलेक्शन रेगुलरली आप लोग देख सकते हैं। इतना कलेक्शन आप रेगुलरली हम अपलोड करते हैं, तो यू कैन सी एटलीस्ट फाइंड आउट व्हाट रेंज एंड वैरायटी एंड लोड्स ऑफ स्टॉक दैट वी हैव. So please visit our store, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. This is a geometric printed tussar with a kesar blouse piece. Kutch work sarees. Number 18. Now from Kutch work, I'll move on to few handwork sarees. So today it's a combination of all variety of sarees. So this is again a full tussar. Here we have a mirror work, hand Kutch work border and machine embroidery cross stitch jal body thread work. Wine color. So ये अगर फुल बॉडी हैंडवर्क होंगे तो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो जाएगा, और ये वाला ना पेटीट वर्क है, मशीन पेटीट वर्क है, ये बहुत महंगा स्टिच होता है, जो हाथ का होता है, बहुत फाइन और महीनों लगता है। तो वही सेम डिजाइन मशीन में हुआ है, देखिए, और हाथ का बॉर्डर हुआ है। कलर वाइन, color purple, jal embroidery and handwork Kutch border, Kutchi work border. Purple concept कैसा लगा? Coffee. This has a zari border with self print, zari border, self print, and Kutch work border along with the zari border, and this is the pallu. पल्लू के साथ बहुत स्मार्ट साड़ी है ये, बहुत प्यारा ये वाला ब्लाउज पीस है, बहुत प्यारा। इसका काफी कलर्स है, अच्छा नहीं, इसका है नहीं ना कलर, एक ही कलर है। वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी, आई विश आई मेड मोर कलर्स, वेरी प्रिटी साड़ी। नाउ आई शो यू सम हैंड गाड़ा पारसी साड़ी, देसी टसर विथ हैंड hand Gara Parsi with Jal Palla. Hand Gara Parsi Jal Palla. Price, very competitive price according to the Itna Sara Gara Parsi handwork. Very competitive price. Very pretty. Chiku color, beige color. Lovely Gara Parsi work with silk thread. वो वाला कॉटन थ्रेड में था, ये सिल्क थ्रेड में पूरा काम हुआ है देसी टसर में. हैंड गारा पारसी विथ कॉर्नर बूटा एंड मैचिंग ब्लाउज पीस. Number 23. मस्ट ये सब साड़ीज कभी पुराना नहीं होगा. सालों भर ये गारा पारसी चलते आ रहे हैं और बिक भी रहा है. जाल पल्ला, गारा पारसी, silk thread, pure tussar, superb color combination with the blouse piece. पल्ला जाल बॉर्डर गारा पारसी पहनने में भी अच्छा होगा क्योंकि ये सब सारा आपके हाथ में ना चुभेगा नहीं. जो ऑल ओवर जाल गारा पारसी है वो थोड़ा सा धागा इधर उधर लगता है, लेकिन ये वाला आपका वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर एंड रेंज वाइज भी ये हाथ का पूरा काम के हिसाब से बहुत सुंदर साड़ी होता है ये. गारा पारसी देसी टसर, सुपर्ब पीस. Blouse piece. Next is the one that I'm wearing. This is with handwork bordered in desi tussar. Very pretty French knot borders in peach sober colors. Comes with this blouse piece. Very pretty sari overall, all handwork. Price of this is 13,900. 13,900, and here is the achol with handwork, full handwork. These are all full handwork, and look at the very sleek, pretty handwork border. This kind of work is very delicate work, and here also French knot, buttas all over the sari in desi tussar. And I'm wearing a mala, which is a neutral shade, brown shade, and it's going so well with the sari. Not only this sari, you can mix and match this kind of malas with the earring, with your other saris as well. It is a bit of antique gold droplet. And this is the mala. 3,800. 3,800 premium stonework mala sets. And this is the color options. 3,800. with this earring. Long mala. And I have this aqua shade also. $3850. Okay, this piece is $3850, the others are $3800. $3850 for this aqua color. Next is a superb woven sari. It's a very pretty woven tussar sari from Orissa Handloom, Lambani. Tussar Lambani with blouse piece in a superb handloom desi tussar Orissa Handloom sari. Shade is rust and grey. The pleat will be this, see. The sari itself is so beautiful. Partly pallu woven with in tussar and lambani. Amazing. Tussar lambani, coffee, handwork saris in pure tussar. Blouse piece with all over embroidery. Border, the back, full work. Tussar lambani, color coffee. Clearly the prices mentioned. Color mustard. Color mustard. With mirror work, hand embroidered lambani, and this also has the blouse piece full work. Just take the screenshot, WhatsApp 760-3042-696 for booking. From 10th of October to 14th of October, we will be opening on 14th. 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, we are closed. 14th, we are reopening Monday. So all your blouse orders and your, if you have any bookings, please kindly pick them up before we close. Another tussar lambani. Another tussar lambani. This is the blouse piece. This has two border work. Very pretty shade. Number 29. Lastly, another shade of my sari. Very sober pista shade. Mine is more of peachish. This is a more of pista. 13,900. This sari 13,900 comes with a similar blouse. Full handwork in desi tussar. Very pretty, sleek, narrow handwork border with mainly of French knots. And this is the buttas. This is the sari. With this, you can wear this jade green mala. It's looking so beautiful. So let me know how you like today's episode. Meanwhile, watch our other videos also, and let me know once you receive the sari, kaise laga. Be connected and share more love. Thank you so much. Bhalo thakben, pujo bhalo kataben.